Did you know that you can generate MCQ-type quizzes on Adaptiv? Enter a title for your quiz, choose how you want to categorize it from the drop-down menu, and if your quiz will be accessible for free. In the next step, you can add sections for your quiz. This quiz has only one section, but you can create multiple sections based on what you're testing. This is where you generate your quiz. Add your content in this field and click on Generate to experience the magic of AI. Once the quiz is generated, you can select the questions you want to add and make any changes you deem necessary. Once you have reviewed the content and deleted the extra pages, all you have to do is hit Publish and share the quiz with your students.